Have you ever wanted to learn how to draw, but you don't even know where to start? Outer space right outside your door? Colorful bubbles? An evening landscape? And finger flowers? Today, we have simple life hacks that will inspire you to be creative. First, take a small sheet of paper and acrylic puffy paint. Draw a silhouette of a flower. Rub the pattern with your finger. The paint stripes turn into delicate petals. Draw more stripes in the middle. Rub the outline outwards. The result is a beautiful flower. Squeeze out a green stem. Rub the leaves with your finger. Make a bud with a cotton swab. Done! And now take purple paint. Draw a circle out of dots. Rub each of the drops to the middle. Put a dot between each petal. Rub to the center. Narrow the circle and rub the points again. Squeeze out drops of paint and draw a bud. Draw the middle using golden acrylic paint. Paint black dots instead of stamens. Draw a thin twig with black acrylic paint. Squeeze out the green paint and rub it. Decorate the leaves with black paint. And now, add small flowers. Just 5 droplets and the flower is ready. Draw a black twig between the flowers. Decorate flowers with dots. Draw stamens. The result is a branch of cherry blossoms. It looks very elegant. Bright flower paintings will inspire you with their beauty and will lighten up your mood this spring. Next, take a sheet of paper, some water, and ink. Draw a round window with a black marker. Add a telescope on a tripod near the window. Draw wooden walls and a wooden floor. Drip water onto the glass. Blur the marker line with a brush. Add ink on the paper moistened with water. The paper must be wet for the ink to spread. Once the drawing is completely dry, add stars with acrylic paint. Add yellow dots. You see, drawing the universe is pretty easy. With the help of this technique, you can create a beautiful picture, even though you might not be able to draw otherwise. For this life hack, you need paper and markers. Draw 5 short strips on the sheet. Change direction and draw a few more. Draw a giraffe using squares from the strips. Use different colors of markers. To make it even easier and more fun, you can draw the silhouette of an animal with a pencil in advance and then fill it with stripes. Using the same technique, draw a lion with a big mane. And a baby elephant with a tall trunk. Look how cute these colorful little animals are, as if they were sewn from hundreds of bright shreds. And now you need a stencil of Cinderella's castle, some paints, glitter, and a container with small decorations. Cut out the picture. Place it on a bright background. Add golden glitter into the yellow paint. Stir with a brush. Dip the container lid in the paint. Put the prints on the outline of the stencil and around it. Remove the paper template. The silhouettes of the castle towers look very impressive. You see, you can paint even without using brushes. For the next life hack, take a sheet of paper and a piece of foil and some paint. Squeeze out the paint in wavy lines. Fill the entire sheet with waves. Blend the lines with a large foam brush. The result is a beautiful background with a gentle gradient effect. Tear the tinfoil into small pieces. Using Elmer's glue, attach the pieces of foil to the paper. Form the tree crowns. Attach the foil in the form of a solid strip to the bottom. Squeeze silver paint on the upper part of the applique. Raise the sheet to form smudges. Add some more paint if necessary. Draw the details with a thin black marker. The result is an interesting silver forest. This unusual painting combines several techniques at once: a colorful background, a foil applique, paint smudges, and a final outline with a marker. A real work of art! And the next picture can decorate your favorite notebook. You need a few different markers. Draw a curved line in the upper part of the sheet. Fill the space with a dense layer of circles. The circles can be different sizes. Just don't leave empty spaces. Draw another wavy row with a red felt tip pen. Fill it with red balls. Repeat the action with all the colors one by one. Done! The colored balloons in the notebook look even brighter than its cover. And the process of drawing these bright bubbles relieves stress better than meditation. And now you need a lined notebook. Begin to draw from the bottom of the sheet. Make a spiral with a marker. Make half of each loop a solid line. And make the lower part dotted. Draw the largest curl in the center of the sheet, and then go back to smaller ones. Finish the spiral with a dotted line. Draw a star in the form of a diamond. Make the outline bolder. Go over the drawing with a green marker. Color the star yellow and orange. Tint the intersection of the pattern with the lines using a simple pencil. The result is an abstract spiral Christmas tree. Now you know what to draw on your Christmas cards next year. Let's prepare a sheet of paper and aqua markers. Draw the skyline in the middle of the sheet. Add a yellow sun. Surround the sun with a pink haze. Add some blue. Shade the pink edge of the sunset. Mark dark blue waves. Draw the reflection of a setting sun on the water. Draw black trees on the skyline. Highlight the branches of a low bush. Make a mirror image of the black forest in the pond. The result is a romantic evening landscape. Aqua markers create a beautiful watercolor effect. Soft transitions, colorful spots, blurs. Very beautiful! And for the next picture, take a sheet of paper and paints. Squeeze out a little paint from each tube on the sheet. Place the strokes at different levels. Smudge the paint on paper with the opposite end of the tube. Mix the paints and draw another row of colored squares. Paint antennas and wires on top of the figures with the tip of the brush. Draw the windows with acrylic puffy paint. Decorate the drawing with squares and circles. The result is a fabulous city. Only very creative people can live in these brightly colored houses. And for one more life hack, you will need short wooden skewers. Lay them close to each other. Apply strips of hot glue. Fasten several skewers across them. Expand the canvas face up. Take paints. Start with yellow. Cover the lower part of the board with it. Make the next band red. Blur the transition between colors. Use blue paint and mix it with the red one on the canvas. Paint the upper part blue. Decorate the edge of the board with a black stripe. Draw a girl with a bunch of balloons using a thin brush. Draw white stars. Attach a magnet on the back. Hang the magnet on the fridge. An unusual picture with a magnet can be used to decorate your house or as a gift to friends. And now let's draw with a black gel pen. Draw a series of short parallel lines on the edge of the sheet. Repeat the pattern from the other side. Draw broken lines. Connect the edges of the bands with lines. Make a bend and change the direction at each intersection with broken lines. Use a ruler. Draw the picture to the end. In areas where the lines are located close to each other, you get a shadow effect. Check out this 3D illusion. Can you pull this off? For the next idea, you will need a sheet of paper, a treble clef, paper notes, and a small rake. Lay out the notes on paper. Dip the rake in black paint. Imprint short strips on the edge of the sheet. Draw the white keys in the form of rectangles. Cover the remaining space with paint. Remove the paper stencils using tweezers. The result is a musical picture in a black and white style. A picture with keys and notes will become a stylish decoration of a musician's room or just a music lover. And now we'll tell you how to create a useful art masterpiece from wide popsicle sticks. Draw a girl's face on a stick. Now draw a blouse with an elegant collar, a skirt, and legs. Color them with markers. Focus on the details and decorate clothes with unusual prints. Draw turquoise hearts on the jacket and bright red vertical stripes on the skirt. Color the socks. Decorate several sticks in the same style. You get fashionable bookmarks for textbooks. They look very nice. Did you like our creative discoveries? Which life hack did you immediately want to try out? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to be the first to watch the most interesting drawing hacks from Troom Select.